I'm Healthy is an educational organization. I'm Healthy is a private company specialized in training and educational areas: medicine, nutritients, general topics, nutrition facts, agriculture, plants and animals, recipes and cooking guides. Protein. Health benefits of protein. Helps maintain healthy weight. Your hormones. Boosts metabolism and increases fat burning. Healing. Protein helps maintain your muscles. Number 1. Helps maintain healthy weight. Although required for building muscle mass, a diet rich in protein ensures healthy weight gain. According to a study carried out by researchers at Harvard School of Public Health, those who consumed high-protein diet could manage their weight better compared to those with poor protein diet. That's because protein-rich foods increases satiety and keeps you full for a longer time. It also helps build lean mass, which is extremely important for healthy weight loss. Number 2. Your hormones. Hormones are chemicals produced by glands used as signaling molecules to help communicate and coordinate activities throughout the body. They also help in controlling the numerous functions of body which involve a variety of your organs. Protein plays an important role in building certain hormones, peptide or protein hormones. These protein hormones are hormones that bind to receptors on the outside of cells, and trigger a response inside the cell. Hormonal proteins, like insulin, help with the metabolism of glucose and are highly effective in controlling blood sugar concentrations. Hormones can also activate muscle growth by increasing protein synthesis or decreasing protein breakdown. So, if deficient in protein, your body lacks the materials it needs to build and support the hormones within your body. Number 3. Boosts metabolism and increases fat burning. Eating can boost your metabolism for a short while. That's because your body uses calories to digest and make use of the nutrients in foods. This is referred to as the thermic effect of food, TEF. However, not all foods are the same in this regard. In fact, protein has a much higher thermic effect than fat or carbs, 20 to 35% compared to 5 to 15%. High protein intake has been shown to significantly boost metabolism and increase the number of calories you burn. This can amount to 80 to 100 more calories burned each day. In fact, some research suggests you can burn even more. In one study, a high-protein group burned 260 more calories per day than a low-protein group. That's equivalent to an hour of moderate-intensity exercise per day. Number 4. Healing. Protein is directly involved in healing from an injury. Those who have recently encountered an injury should take advantage of this fact and increase their overall protein intake to help with the recovery process. Protein aids the body in repairing damaged tissues. So the lack of protein will call for a slower, less efficient healing rate within your body. The reason why, is because when your body lacks enough protein, it has a difficult time forming collagen. Collagen synthesis is what helps heal wounds and repair tissues. The amino acid, glutamine, which is acquired via protein intake, is what stimulates this collagen synthesis. So without enough protein you will lack enough glutamine to initiate proper collagen synthesis, thus leading to ineffective wound healing. Number 5. Protein helps maintain your muscles. Since protein is the building block of your muscles, eating adequate amounts of protein helps maintain your muscle mass and prevents muscle wasting. So if you walk a lot, enjoy cycling, or do any sort of exercise to stay active, you need to eat protein. Athletes and individuals with more muscle need to eat larger amounts of protein daily to maintain their higher muscle mass. What are proteins and what do they do? What is protein? Examples of protein functions. Function, antibody. Function, enzyme. Function, messenger. Function, structural component. Function, transport, storage. Number 1. What is protein? Protein is one of 3 macronutrients, which are nutrients the body needs in larger amounts. The other macronutrients are fat and carbohydrates. A protein molecule is very large compared with molecules of sugar or salt and consists of many amino acids joined together to form long chains, much as beads are arranged on a string. There are about 20 different amino acids that occur naturally in proteins. Proteins of similar function have similar amino acid composition and sequence. Although it is not yet possible to explain all of the functions of a protein from its amino acid sequence, established correlations between structure and function can be attributed to the properties of the amino acids that compose proteins. Protein is made from 20+ basic building blocks called amino acids. The 20 amino acids that the body uses to create protein are alanine, arginine, asparagine, aspartic acid, cysteine, glutamic acid, glutamine, glycine, histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, proline, serine, threonine, tryptophan, tyrosine, valine. Because we don't store amino acids, our bodies make them in two different ways, either from scratch, or by modifying others. 9 amino acids, histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, and valine, known as the essential amino acids, must come from food. Number 2. Function, antibody. Antibodies bind to specific foreign particles, such as viruses and bacteria, to help protect the body. Number 3. Function, enzyme. Enzymes carry out almost all of the thousands of chemical reactions that take place in cells. They also assist with the formation of new molecules by reading the genetic information stored in DNA. Number 4. Function, messenger. Messenger proteins, such as some types of hormones, transmit signals to coordinate biological processes between different cells, tissues, and organs. Number 5. Function, structural component. These proteins provide structure and support for cells. On a larger scale, they also allow the body to move. Number 6. Function, transport, storage. These proteins bind and carry atoms and small molecules within cells and throughout the body. Check out videos on our channel and subscribe for more.